Good afternoon and welcome to the Q&A session 17 from the playlist of JEE Advanced. The topic is the calculation of the relative velocity of a person's shadow with respect to the ground or the person itself. So based on this topic, I have one question for this session which was asked in the JEE Advanced exam in the year 2023. So the question here is, a person of height 1.6 meter walks away from a lamppost of 4 meter height. The speed of the person is 60 centimeter per second. So we have to find the speed of the tip of the person's shadow with respect to the person. So in order to save the time, I have already drawn here one figure with respect to this question. So here OA is the lamppost of height 4 meter, and this let us say this is D. So this BD is the person of height 1.6 meter, and at any moment of time the distance of this person from the foot of this lamppost is taken as x1, and the distance of the shadow of the tip of this person is taken as x2. So this is the point C where the shadow of the tip of this person is forming at any moment of time. So from this triangle, that is AOC, triangle AOC and triangle DBC, both are the similar triangles. So from these two triangles, OA upon BD, OA upon BD will be equal to OC upon BC, will be equal to OC upon BC. Now OA is given to us. This is the OA is the height of the lamppost, which is equal to 4 meter, and BD is the height of the person. So this is given to us as 1.6. Now OC is taken as x2, and here BC will be equal to x2 minus x1. So from here we will be getting 4x2 minus 4x1. This will be equal to 1.6 x2. So it implies that 2.4 x2, this is equal to 4x1. So if I differentiate this equation with respect to time, that is t, then I will be getting this as 2.4 dx2 upon dt. This will be equal to 4 dx1 upon dt. Now here the speed of the person is given to us as 60 centimeter per second. So dx1 upon dt will be equal to 60. So this is equal to 4 into 60. So from here the value of dx2 upon dt. Now dx2 upon dt is basically the speed of the shadow at any moment of time, or you can say this is the speed of the shadow of the tip of the person at any moment of time. So this is equal to 4 into 60 divided by 2.4. So this can be written as 24 and into 10. So this comes out to 100 centimeter per second. So dx2 upon dt is the speed of the tip of the person shadow with respect to the ground. So this OC is the ground. This is the ground. So here we have to find the speed of the tip of the person shadow with respect to the person. So with respect to the person, So with respect to the person, that is speed of shadow, speed of the tip of the person shadow with respect to the person. So this will be equal to this will be equal to 100 minus 60, because the speed of the person is 60 centimeter per second, and here the speed of the tip of the person shadow with respect to the ground was equal to 100 centimeter per second. So the speed of the tip of the person's shadow with respect to the person itself will be equal to 100 minus 60, which is equal to 40 centimeter per second. So here the correct option is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question, which will be based on the topic of motion. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.